Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Camilo Lasting Legacy Fitness. So I want to share today with you guys basically what I have in my daily meals. I filmed this video a couple days ago when I was cooking all my main 3 meals, and I want to also be sharing with you guys what I have for breakfast and usually before I want to go to bed. Okay, let's get to it. So usually what I have is basically I have 3 meals of basically the same, which is ground turkey. I do 8 ounces of ground turkey. I do 1 cup of broccoli, half cup of asparagus, and 1 full cup of white rice. I'm gonna switch it up to brown rice, but right now I'm doing white rice. And I usually do this for like 2-3 weeks, and I switch it up to either ground beef or ground bison. Sometimes I do chicken too. Just the only thing with chicken, I don't know why. I love chicken, but I don't know why chicken sometimes it just gives me a really bloated and gives me gassy, man. So I don't really have that that often. Also, another thing for breakfast, obviously you guys can see that, but for breakfast usually what I do 1 full carton of eggs. I'm gonna show you guys which ones. It's this one right here, right? I do have 1 full of these ones. We get it from Costco. And also I have the ground turkey. At night, what I have is this one right here. It's a really good protein powder. It's vegan, so it doesn't upset my stomach. This is what I have usually when my girlfriend is not in town. But when she's here, she makes a delicious shake. It's a vegan protein from Airborne. We put glutamine in it, some collagen, half banana, or full banana for the 2 of us, I mean. And yeah, it makes it taste really good. Oh, and peanut butter too. Okay, broccoli is done. I think this one is done too. I'm gonna check, make sure there's nothing pink, nothing red. So it's cooked properly. And this is the seasoning that I put in the turkey. It's a taco seasoning. It's really good. Okay, now that everything is done, I'm basically gonna make sure I put it in the containers. Let's see, get the broccoli out. Broccoli is done. Also, I'm gonna bring the asparagus. Asparagus are also done. There they are. Oh, perfect. Okay, so let's check out. We gotta get the containers. Turn this light off so you guys can actually see me properly. This might be a little better, no? Whatever. It is what it is. Okay, so containers. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my scale, that way I can know exactly how much I'm putting of turkey on each of my meals. So I start obviously with the turkey. We're gonna do, like I said, we're gonna do 8 ounces now. Hopefully we can get quite a meal meals out of it. Okay, here's one. Let's see what that. This one now. Perfect. This one's good too. 8 ounces. Okay. 3. Okay, let's see. We got a few more to go. Actually, half of them to go. Four. How many more do you guys think we can make out of this one, huh? Okay, let's see. Hopefully we can make 9. That's what I was aiming for. I'm gonna have to do a little bit less broccoli. I didn't cook as much. So this time I'm gonna do a little bit less broccoli. Maybe just half a cup and half a cup of asparagus. We'll see how it turns out. Maybe I just cook a little more. Yeah, and I gotta be honest with you guys, I'm not really the greatest in the kitchen. I don't mind cooking, but we have a bit of an agreement with my girlfriend, so she does basically all the cooking, and she cooks delicious. She cooks really good, and she's super efficient too. Like, obviously it doesn't take me that long either, but man, I just don't like it. You see, like for example, I'm showing broccoli, showing asparagus. Rice is the only one I know I have quite a bit, so I'm pretty good on that one. Then we're gonna be able to just make 7. We're only gonna be doing 8. You might have to spread a little bit around. So we got 3, 7. Okay, so let's see how many more we can do. How many ounces are left? This is quite enough. Not I'm still from a couple of the first ones. I put a little bit extra. So that's why I'm gonna balance. So yeah, I'm gonna steal a little bit from this one, a little bit from this one, and this one it should be okay. Perfect. Alrighty, so now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meals. That's perfect. That's kind of what I want. I actually want a little more, but that was good. Okay, now I'm gonna be serving the rice. Already put part of the rice on the meals. So I do usually do a full cup in each meal. Carbohydrates in. Alright, perfect. Okay, so we got 2 more to go. Perfect. Okay, so rice is done. Now I'm just gonna fry it in terms of the asparagus and the broccoli, just because we didn't make enough. And I have some pepper in the fridge, so I think I'm gonna put some pepper in here too, and we'll balance it out. I'm sure I have enough veggies in each meal to have all the nutrients that I need. And I have my greens. I have a greens powder every morning, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay, let's see how it turns out. Okay, so basically this is it. So I got all my meals basically almost done. I just have to do cut the pepper. I'm gonna do this a little bit later. I need to get one to a cold train, a friend of mine. in the gym. It's not too close from here, so I need to get ready, change and stuff. But yeah, this is basically how the meals look like. I was able to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is perfect. That will be almost basically 3 days. Yeah. Okay guys, thanks again for watching. And sorry about the light, I don't know what happened. But yeah, see you guys soon. Crush it guys.